my name is Riku. I'm here to present to you Finishing Touch Flawless Pedi Electronic Tool File and Callus Remover, Pedicure. We appreciate your subscription to our channel for future presentations like this. Thank you. From the world's #1 facial hair remover for women, Finishing Touch Flawless Pedi is a streamlined device that offers a salon-quality pedicure in the safety of home. The easy reach design lets users treat every angle, on both feet, with ease, and Flawless Pedi does all the work, removing and smoothing unsightly calluses, dry cracked skin, and rough areas. It delivers instant results, painlessly. Get the appearance of more youthful, healthy feet with Flawless Pedi. Flawless Pedi includes 2 roller heads, 1 fine roller for polishing and everyday maintenance and 1 coarse roller for smoothing stubborn calluses and dead skin. Flawless Pedi comes with 1 handle, 2 roller heads and a USB charging cord that works with any wall adapter not included, rechargeable and water resistant. Pedi has 2 speeds, low and high, allow for easy or more powerful maintenance. Easy to use on both feet, front to back, heels, toes, sides, and balls of feet. Ergonomic one designed for more natural back and forth motion. We hope that this presentation satisfied you. Please like and share this video to your friends, colleagues and family. Thank you for your time and welcome again.
Ready to finally have smooth, beautiful feet every day? Now you can with the new Flawless Pedi. Instantly and painlessly remove tough calluses and dry, cracked skin for smooth, more youthful-looking feet, all in the comfort of your own home. Unlike other bulky tools, Flawless Pedi's breakthrough streamlined design is like a magic wand, uniquely angled to make it easier to reach difficult areas for perfect results.
It actually feels really good.
You can literally see it working. I'm able to get all the way around my heel.
This is the results that I wanted.
Flawless Pedi does all the work for you. With its easy reach design, you can now reach around your heels, toes, sides, and balls of your feet instantly and painlessly for smooth, flawless results.
If I can't get to the salon, it's okay. I got the salon already at home.
2 replaceable micro-exfoliating treatment heads. The coarse roller painlessly removes dry, cracked skin and calluses, and the fine roller gently polishes to maintain a beautiful, smooth look and feel every day.
You see the results. You see it happening. It's painless. It's quick. The results are instant.
Flawless Pedi is ultra-hygienic, cordless, and rechargeable, with 2 speed controls and an LED light for precision detail.
No more cracking, no more dry skin. The fact that I can do this from home is a total game changer.
The new Flawless Pedi, a breakthrough, easy-reach design for a salon-perfect pedicure in just minutes, right at home.
It's easy, it's painless, and it works.
The new Flawless Pedi, easy to reach, easy to smooth.
If you don't have this, you need to get it.